So now we'll see how to use hue in Photoshop. So here, as I have taken this image here, so I'll be changing the color of the shoe particularly. So for that, what I can do is, and okay, before moving to that class, okay, I hope you guys have understood. Okay, let me show you guys a difference here. I just totally forgot about that. Okay, so here I do have this layer, and here you can see a difference here. This is the original picture, or this is the original image, but I do have two vibrance which I have saved here. And as you can see, once I have this vibrant page, the background is more strong. Okay, so I hope you understood, and let's move on to this particular class here. And again, I'll go to my adjustment panels. Okay, and here I'll be using hue option. So here, as I can see, I do have the hue and saturation adjustment layer. So I'll just click on this layer particularly, and here, as you can see, after coming here, I do have this kind of page here. Okay, so I can actually change the color of the particular shoe using my this option here. As you can see, I can change the color of this particular shoe from here. Okay, just by changing the hue. Okay, as you can see. So here, using all this, I can change the color according to my want. Okay, and here I also do have the option for saturation. You can see the level of saturation I can change. I can also change the lightness, okay, like the background color, how it will look. So I hope you guys have understood here about the hue, okay, like how we can actually use the hue for changing this color. So this is such an amazing application, this Photoshop, that it understands the image. Okay, it doesn't selected this background, so it selected the primary object. So what is the primary object in this picture? The primary image on this object is this particular shoe which I have here. So it focuses on that, it focused on that, and it changed the hue, and it changed the color, and see how original it looks and how different it looks. So this is such an amazing application where we can actually work on this and play around. Okay, and while playing around, we'll obviously get to learn a lot from this application, and I'm quite sure about it. Okay, so here you can see, so I'll just keep it somewhere here. I will just keep my saturation here. Okay, so now I have showed you guys how we can change color of a particular object using the hue option. Okay, but now let's go to some other image here. Okay, and here, like, I will be choosing like how we can